Listen guys, it can be done.
Business.
Hello.
Daddy, here's the key.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
What's up, y'all? Alright, y'all, today has been an interesting day. And I'm gonna explain after I'm done this, but just know my MacBook, the freaking thing I use to edit all my videos has been broke for about a day or two. Very depressing, and I called to get it fixed, but nobody had the parts. So I just decided I'm gonna just fix it myself. I ain't about to wait, you know, and they were trying to charge me extra $200. Parts already cost $200 and some dollars. I'm like, nah, figure it out myself. So I'm just figuring it out, so pray for me. A little update, almost done getting the screen off. All right guys, I fixed it. Y'all can see my reflection right here too, but yeah, I fixed it guys. So we back up and running. I'll be able to record the video and edit it. So let me explain to you guys. I'm gonna walk out my office. I've been in here for like 2 hours already. I just wanna, you know, decompress. But yeah, so guys, I was able to fix my MacBook Pro. I don't know what happened, okay? So I was sick, okay? I've been sick for a couple days. Explains why I haven't been recording videos, because I've been sick, and also I just couldn't get past me being sick, to be honest. Mentally I was just down. But so I woke up one day, I'm like, all right, let me get on my laptop, start working. So I went to go start working, and I saw a crack in the screen, and then the screen was cracked and no images on there. So I was like, oh my god. I looked down, I'm like, how could this have been possible? It's a Lego on my dang laptop. So that happened. So that's why I've been going, guys. But while I've been going, I've been working as much as possible on, you know, what I have, my other computers and stuff. And I was able to start a Educated Hustler community on Discord. You guys can check it out. Make sure you guys are clicking that link below. It's the first link. It's limited spots. We're only going to allow a certain amount. Just know that you are able to do so much in this community that's going to help you make money. We're giving away prizes. We're doing weekly competitions. We're doing leaderboards. This is not just your typical community. This is a lifestyle, okay? We are hustlers, okay? And I cannot wait to include all of my educated hustlers in this journey. I'm very excited, and I just cannot wait to embrace you all and continue to help you guys. We have live buyers on the Discord. We have places where we have sectors literally of every area of the business. We just had a new member. What is up, Boba97? What is good, bro? But we have different sectors, guys. I'll show you guys the sectors. Again, I'm not hiding this from you guys. I want you guys to see exactly everything you get. So you get the phone and flipping Q&A, the answers and questions 24/7. There's somebody here answering all of your questions. You get the wholesale question and answer. So the electronic wholesale, whether it's the product box, whether you're trying to order a product box and sell things, this is where you come. You have the art of negotiation, which is where you can actually screenshot different communications you're having with sellers or buyers, and you want us to help you negotiate. We got your back like a bra strap. Then you got phones flipped today. This is the competitive area where you can actually screenshot your phones you brought today, put the IMEI in the description, show that you obtained the phone, and possibly win cash prizes, okay? And different electronics as well. We give electronics out too, Apple Watches, iPhones, different things as well. We're having competitions for people that are hustling, okay? Then you have sell to buyers live, where you can actually go in this chat and sell to buyers live, guys. Then we have the For Hustlers Only chat. So that is something that we are looking forward to. Oh, there go my guy Edward. So Edward's in. Yes, sir. But yes, for us, it's only chat. Of course, this is where you are able to just, you know, talk and really link up with different like-minded entrepreneurs. It's just something that I'm really looking forward to, guys. We're just going to keep building. We're going to keep building, keep going. It's just amazing. It's nobody that can stop us. If you haven't already, get into the community and just watch it flourish. Just watch it. That's all I'm saying. Just watch it. That's all I'm saying. But today, what I'm going to do is, it's a little late in the evening. It's 5:31. Usually I have videos out at 6. But what I'm thinking is I want to post a video today, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do because I do have, me and Tamia are supposed to be going to Topgolf today, so I do got to do that, and I want to vlog that too. But I do want to actually give you guys some valuable content. So what we're going to talk about is, again, what somebody made this week. So somebody sent me, and you guys can do it too if you are someone that is flipping phones, especially with our buyers. We see the income that you make, and we want to shout out one of the top earners, and we want you guys to actually see what they said. So let's just hop into it, and I'm gonna show you guys. By the way, I fixed this laptop and I fixed that laptop. This laptop been sitting at my grandmother's house for like years, and I fixed that. I don't know, I just was like, you know what, I'm not about to just let these sit. We just gonna have to make it work. We just gonna have to make it work no matter what. So we did, and I'm just so happy. You know, I couldn't be any happier. So guys, I was just sitting here and I was doing my work, and then I got a text from an individual, and I will put it on the screen, I'm sure. But the text is basically saying, hey Brandon, how are you? Well, hey Brandon, how are you doing? I just wanted to show you my results to thank you for the videos and the consistent coaching. I'm not gonna lie, I wouldn't be here if you did not hold me accountable. And I'm excited to see my results next week. I've got these devices from 2 separate families switching from AT&T. I work at an AT&T store, and I offered to buy phones from customers instead of them trading the devices in, and ended up making around $2,700 this week in totality. I paid, she said totality, okay. I paid around $1,300 for all these devices, and it was a great buy. That, listen guys, it can be done. All right, I mean, it could be done. It's just all about you actually putting your mind to it and believing in yourself. I think that we have to start holding ourselves accountable and, you know, not letting ourselves slack, because a lot of people, they like to be comfortable, and when we are comfortable, we tend not to do our best job. You know, we don't want to put our best foot forward when we're comfortable because we don't feel like we have to. And I think that's what is a distraction and a detractor in our lives. So hearing this and hearing what I think she's saying, the reason and the way that she did this was she must work at a cell phone store, and customers came in and said, we're leaving the carrier, and she said, well, if you're gonna leave, let me buy your phones. And that's awesome. Now I do have a couple people that buy phones, and all they do is go by cell phone stores and talk to customers and stuff. Now, you know, I don't do that. I guess it could be done. Well, I'm saying it could be done, but I think that is a interesting method. Me personally, I've never done that method, but regardless, it works. You obviously see results, and if you see results, it's always beneficial, right? We just have to make sure we're doing it to where, you know, we are not putting ourselves in danger. But if you're not putting yourself in danger and you closing on deals, man, I can't complain. I don't have anything to say about that, honestly. I think that was an awesome approach. And for you to get those phones at that low, you got an iPhone 14 Plus 256, iPhone 14 Plus 128, iPhone like 2 Pro Maxes for 13. I would love to see or know how. I know me and you were talking about negotiations and the art of negotiation. Shout out, and that's the reason why y'all got to get in the community to sit there and be able to talk to people that can help you negotiate. But I honestly think that was awesome negotiating at that point, because you made, so what, you said you made $2,700, so she made $2,700 and only paid like $13, and that's a $1,400, wow, $1,400 Like that's a good, like, listen, you making $1,400 a week, okay? Let's just say this is your side income. So from this side income, $1,400 a week times 4, you can get $5,600 a month times 12. That's an extra $67,200 if you make 14 a week, like, in profit. Tell me how that, like, come on, y'all. It's money to be made, and that's a whole job. That's a whole job. That's a whole job. All right, guys. So understand, you recoup your investment, and on top of that, you're going to make your money back and get that profit to where you can actually become more financially stable. It's a no-brainer. It really is a no-brainer, guys. So this is what she sent me. So this is, you know, the phones that she had sent, and it was all brought by the same buyer, okay? And it's just cool. It's cool. I really am happy for you and your profits, and you actually understand and being held accountable, and just have people being on your case and say, hey, what did you do today? How many offers you gave today? It matters. Now, I don't know what they do on any other side, any other place, guys, but we gonna make sure we hold you accountable. Make sure you guys tune into the plan of attack. She was actually on the plan of attack meeting last Sunday, and this was one of the goals. So, I mean, we're making it all work. Use the buyer's price list to your advantage to know exactly what the market value is, and that's one reason why she didn't pay too much for the Pro Maxes. I'm telling y'all right now, reason why this was so low, as far as the customer sold this for so low, I already know because I talked to her. She leveraged this and said, you can't take these phones anywhere else. You can't, because they're not locked. I mean, they're not unlocked, and you didn't pay them off, so they're gonna be blacklisted. Then you're not gonna be able to trade them in. Like, she went through the whole thing and got the sale. And I'm telling y'all, y'all can do it too. You can do it too. You just gotta be somebody that wants to surround yourself around the right people. And if you surround yourself around the right people, and ain't nobody gonna stop you. Ain't nobody gonna stop you at all. I promise you. I promise you. So, guys, that's it for right now. It is going to be another video tomorrow. I'm going to film everything I got going on today, so you guys can see what I get into, because I'm tired of being cooped up in the house in every video. Like, that's not even what I really want to do, but at the same time, I got to stay focused and work. But, you know, we're gonna go outside for a little bit, you know what I mean? We're going to go outside. I'm gonna take y'all with me. And I know that a lot of people just like to see the making money videos, but I'm gonna take you guys with me, and we gonna see what we can get into. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.